Hi guys, welcome to Tactum channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add Hydra bot in Discord. So in this case, you have to open a new tab and right here, Hydra bot Discord, and then click on the first link. Then you have to click on this invite. Okay, accept all, then invite. Then just choose the server you want to invite your Hydra bot. Like I'm awesome guys, this server. Click on continue, authorize your account, prove that you're a human by clicking here and choosing some pictures maybe, or not, it is already directing there. Okay, now let's check. You can see here Hydra bot is coming. Okay, let's check now. You can see in your Discord Hydra bot has came already. Thank you for inviting me. Okay guys, so guys, this is how you can add Hydra bot in your Discord server or account. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.